Right, good evening and welcome to With All Due Respect Extended Version. My name is Kevin Akoberute. Like exactly 7 p.m. US East Coast time. It's definitely 8-7 in Ghana. If you're watching me tonight, I'd like to say thank you very much for tuning in. We are live on Loud Talents TV on Multi TV across the world. We are streaming live on Loud Talents TV on Facebook. We are also live on Loud Talents TV on YouTube. Tonight, we have an exclusive interview on this platform. It's got to do with the release from the Ghana Police Service. For the sake of dialogue and also to make sure that every single individual in Ghana across the world, especially in Ghana, to have a clear idea of what we were talking about today, I'm going to speak Chi in most of the presentation. It's very, very important that the message goes down very, very well. Inti enyumbre ushami amidin de Kevin Akoberute la me and amidi jumadi we chiame enyumbre your exclusive interview with a year Kwame Ato Asare. So when Kwame Ato Asare, a video be rounds on social media, on TikTok, on Facebook, on YouTube, everywhere. And that's sorry, and that's why the Ghana Police Service, under the leadership of Dr. Dampare, they have released a statement about that video. Now, statement no yabe kain ewaha, and also video no yabe bo na Ghana Funyina any idea about what we are about to discuss tonight. What we will be discussing tonight is got to do with a year Ghana Police Service for release, and as some press statement say, Omachi R0bbers miensa Sibio leader no oye Kwame Ato Asare no ejane. Now, the reason why we are having this show tonight is Kwame Ato Asare. Yenedin Komo, myself personally, Wajiatum say or say onye armed robber, and he thinks and believes to say Ghana Police Service Mr. Representative, and I say omo the assembly tono so video na echo around no the interpretation Ghana Police Service edito so no or per se or fre and I yenedin komo ema ewiasi afane nyina etse the side of the story. Send be obiabe hu de esi wo video nim. It does not mean it's a video, no, the police for the canon and the factual story. And I said the facts. In fact, what we are doing here, our platform is a platform. We are trying to stay in the middle here to hear every part of the story. Police for the Omudiaba, you be kind actually you be video no. We are a nipa omo wasem and so ewo police report no. And I said press animal na ya mom so akasa. Now the reason why intia ye dinka ya adwin say be show when say when it comes to police service, any armed robbery issues were Ghana. For some time now, you would say majority of the time, no, we only listen to the police part of the story when it comes to armed robbery, any idea. I think, it's going to that point, we also feel, when people are willing, this is the word you need to really pay attention to. When the people whose names have been mentioned are willing to come out to also speak on the matter, we also have the right to give them the opportunity to also speak. If we say yen to me every time be no enya one way sir, and the reason why it make us say na yeti krum ha na yen nyina hu sa story way about police officer bia na or transport and say or guard a bank bisika bullion other police officers be ekobo ni trimutuo, and is one story ever seen the story na ira. The reasoning na my story near very, very interesting and shocking, and say sa story way all the way in 2022 no. You police officers are omankasa bo munyonko police ni trimutuo at the end of the day no police force say chase police officers way. This story was reported by Ghana Web. Ye nyina kai sa story way. Now, Anchebia and a police for now more police headquarters under Dampare send omu investigations no police for we na echi omu say omu na omu koku eye omu nyonko police ni no or ye guard and or protect eye sika in a bullion van no. Sa police for we no at the end of the day no Dampare police for the say omo di omo call location akwa investigations. Now omo call location akwa investigations no because now you say suspects no e won kofu ya no come ho omo di sa adwumade no. Na Ghana Police Service under Dampare no etam suspects no say omo di omo so call location akwa investigations no omo do location no there was exchange of bullets. Ebe sin there omo na omo ye suspects no and a bullet come no mu ye. So two policemen no muku policeman na oye guard and I say or protect a van na no me suspect no. Omo kwa na exit of bullet by omu ye. Suspect na police for course omo kwa kwachi omo aka eye police for no no. So suspect ebe sin de ye hu ba kumbia. Ebe sin de police for to mean chire ye eye exchange of bullets no. Omo so bullet a ball omo mututu no ebia evidence omu ja behind. That story has died. Ghana Police Service ever seen there Dampare and the Ghana Police Service no yente ho asem bia bia. It's quite shocking. Inti ende say hu video bi na say police for bunku tudwe e Ghana for civilians bi anim na omo kan sem bia na police department as a Ghana Police Service at the story bar one side. We also have the right to listen to the other side. I am not going to hold brief for anybody. Mintina if you we so enka say sebio say ebia eye Kwame and the group no R0bbers. I am here to defend them. What I am here to do say to give a level playing field for people to also come and explain, because video no nipa na wum and nipa ni bi agya tum say omoso omobekasa. So we are not here to defend anybody. We are here to set the record straight. Ma obia kanasem and the police account masem and nipa na omo video no so nipa police say on the run and I say oye suspect prime suspect no wagya tum say on yebedi nkomo nwumre. It is very important to say you be play this role for all of us to get to the bottom of this, because you be da ebia sida police for anka say ku police ni me the police for suspect no location my boss suspects ni to ebe sin there yente asem no. This is how we are trying to build this nation. We are correcting our mistakes. We are making sure that the police are protected and we the citizens too are protected. Our job as citizens say be protect the police, not police so be protect here. It should not be in a way every day be there you tell one side of the story, the other side we don't hear. And enyumbre we whom we and enyumbre. I'm sorry, I'm still having problems with my voice. So I'll wear this and make sure say I'm able to monitor my voice. I can keep this voice for this week. Because this week, another scandal, what is got to do with Galamsey. I will show you before we end today's show. I just want you to understand that is why we are here tonight. Well, Unyamba, this is going to be a very quick one to make sure you can't assume I was here. Now, let's go straight and watch a year video na footage na emeki headlines in Ghana. Say Mbrantie bi achi police for bi e ma nyina hu video no police for so ye wi a me read police for no report no de o ma tro ye wi a na ye ne eye the so-called prime suspect Kwame Ato eye Asare enso edi nkomo to hear his part of the story. So this is the video making headlines on social media, and the Ghana Police Service are using this video as their basis for their statement.
Oh, Charlie. Food matter what yes. Hey. Oh, Charlie. Food matter for years. Hey. Uncle Promo.
All right. So what you just watched, a encounter between some group of men and Ghana Police Service for now. Police video ya me de from police for release and it say it was an armed robbery. Say I'm ranting almost rob police for no. Now we had Kwame na Osheche no police or prime suspect no can say police for no befano. Ena odi omo koye ena sika awoso omo gino odima omo ena wo sen komo drop no ena omo yes omo drop no ena the boys no stop here. I don't see any robbery in this, with all due respect. Maybe you are seeing it, but from the interaction and their no, the police officers, from what I saw and what you saw, no, they were begging Kwame and the boys no for a mistake they have committed. Now, during the video, no who say na police phone to no me sure say bibia a bulletin no some of the boys had taken it out. And untina na obi ka say saadi no mo because of what they have done. In fact, I think say from all that we are watching, from what I watched, and me, I don't see this as a robbery. I don't see them robbing the police. I see Bibi to say police no are basically begging them for something they have done wrong. Now, I'm not going to hold brief for Kwame and the boys. Now, Mumi share Ghana Police Service. Ghana Police Service for statement to release here concerning this particular matter. Me reading it quick. Na me church him and sana my source and say they should put Kwame Ato Asare on. The prime suspect na police so a prime suspect no na ono so no embetre ne part of the story. Now this is the release from the Ghana Police Service. I'm sorry. That's not the release. I need. Let's take this off. Where is it? Okay, I still have it here. It's any problem. I'm here submitting there to screen as well. All right. It's the Ghana Police Service. A release this statement. Now, mume yenye kind statement. No, ya kind we are. Afi mema me contact signal. Say, and my contact is watching. My contact is watching right after the explanation. Me ye explanation we are of this document. You can just make sure the lines are clear for us to get a Kwame Asare on the line. Our Kwame Asare no a very secured location. I bet he say yeah, Messina, it will be tough for us to get him back. Indeed, I know sir, my source is watching, and you know how the production. Okay, thank you very much. So I'm also. I just saw your text. Thank you. So put him on hold right now. Maybe this reading now. We'll just bring Kwame in for us to take over. For us to go ahead with the conversation. Into Ghana Police Service, Public Affairs Directorate, Police Headquarters, Post Office Box 116. 2nd April 2023. Police for a release statement. We end the anopa. Inti the woman and a maybe kind actually Ghana for nyina amomo the police fortro say press release we share reference number now and volume 41/72. 4 people arrested for attacking police in the Western region, an alleged case of extortion referred to the Police Professional Standards Bureau for investigations. Say nipa and 9 and yachi say sebio omo ayeden de apo kwan bi so agigi police for hunyama ena ebiom no omasa abo omo apo inti omo de ama police headquarters police investigation department say omo enhwehwe saa asemu emu na ede nsem nankasa na omo troye ade asem nankasa obroni be say the body of the letter no ede na police for gina so ana Ghana Police Service ana dampare ene Ghana police for mpeni for gina so etro saa enwoma we. On the 9th March 2023, the Axim Divisional Police Patrol Team reported an attack on the team by a gang that seized the magazines of a service rifle. That seized the magazine of a service rifle together with some mobile phones belonging to the police service. Almost on the 9th of March this year, 2023, 9th March, no, Axim Divisional Police Patrol Team, no, report say, brand tibia attack mo na attack no mo attack no muji omuntu bullet no part no magazine baby aye bugegegegege no ha omuji free omunsem na mobile phones bia na eka mo ho omde ya patrol no police na divisional Axim Divisional Police for no patrol no na mo yes our report no na oba number 2 police for pointer no say an intelligence operation was immediately launched after reports to get the suspects arrested. I must say, after police for no every Axim Divisional Police Patrol for no launch make his report police headquarters no immediately police headquarters led by Dr. Dampare and the CID boss no launching investigations into this matter. And here come out na any video now we share police for na omo video no koye report say arobo omo agigi omo tu any phones into omo yes report to the police penifo no and omo so launch investigations into that matter. Now the third point a police for gina so e kan de omo kan omo say on the 28th of March 2023, after about 3 weeks of the intelligence operation, 4 men Kojo Sia alias Mose, Emmanuel Mensah alias Kofi Asamoah, Maxwell Kojo, and Ajebu Haruna the Sau were arrested for their suspected involvement in the attack. Into police force say almost starting investigations, omachi nipa and 9. That is on the 28th, and now omochi sa nipa and 9 we. Sa nipa and 9 no, and now omu say through investigations, omo nipa bia omo bon asem omo achi omo. Number 4, a search conducted at the residence of Kwame Ato Asare Eni. The prime suspect, who is still on the run, led to the retrieval of 3 pump-action shotguns, also 1 pump-action shotgun, 2 machete, and I said machetes, and 8 BB rifled cartridges were retrieved from the suspect's unregistered Honda CR-V vehicle. Other items retrieved from the suspects include 2 live rifled BB cartridge and 1 unregistered motorbike. Almost say during their investigations, nyoma omu ensa kaye time omkochi nipa nan ya omunsa kan omu. Na almost so omkoye no eye Kwame Ato nankasa de asare na ohegiri wo video no ono de omusi wedwane omu nyanchi bibi omu ni bibi owo omu da ho hwehwe no na nyoma omunsa kan free eye Kwame na wedwane no ene ne suspect ya ende ya choma police no nyoma omunsa kan no eye pump action miensa pump action baako eye nsekan sekan mienu eye BB rifled cartridges eye etu aboba no omunya eye 8 eye enwotwe na omusa sanyobo nyina omunya free eye Honda Civics Honda CR-V vehicle omusa sanyobo nyina omunya ni nyina free eye Kwame Asare ono ne car sorry Kwame Ato Asare eye Kwame na no video no mo se sanyo nyina mo retrieve efi Kwame eye ne Honda mu eye Honda CR-V ene na omunya sanyo mo nyina efri mu. Now number 5 omo kan bibi omo say on the 1st of April 2023, while the investigations were ongoing to get the remaining suspect arrested, the attention of the police was drawn to a video footage in which the said police personnel, members of the Axim patrol team, are shown pleading with members of the gang while the gang is alleging extortion by the police officers. Ghana Police Service for Nkrata almost said, I say almost so a video be a year on the 1st of April and the Barbontine. Time and we investigations, no, and any video na me watch no, who said, sa video no, na police for no, the who and sana police for no, pa a year Kwame Asare, and then a gang for no chow, was sa video nim, inti video no who and said, na Kwame Asare, and then the gang for no, and then the boys no, G police for no, Hunyama, extorted, and I say, bo mo and then a police for no the angle no, that is how they see it. The word be sure alleged bishaha. I need to find it. It's very important. Okay, alleging extortion. Or sina Kwame Kwame and then inquire no catch the police for say police for na bo amapo and I say sibiu fa kuti kwame so aji ho nyama. Now, number 6 now. The allegation of extortion against the officers has been referred to the Police Professional Standards Bureau, PPSP, for investigations. Almost say, Ghana Police say, the allegation of extortion against the officers. Almost a video now, almost share na no. Sa video mo, bibia na woman na chire say, eye Kwame Asare na nkwara no, ebo police for na po, omuji omunsem nyoma no. Sa ehɔ ne de, omudi ama Police Investigation Department Special Unit bia. Number 7 or say all the suspects in the reported attack on the patrol team who had been arrested have been put before court and have been remanded in custody. Efforts are continuing to get the remaining suspects arrested. Almost say police if want to say suspect or macho nipa beye and 9 day omo court actually say ye mo bill ye from gugu fiase into omo de no omo wait better trials just say omo no police are holding them you can be said they are holding them and they have been put or they have been remanded ye de omo koto fiase omo twen eda ye de omo be gina ye court ankasa ebu omo efo nti omo say de ewo hono no nipa o sign sa krate ye Grace Ansa Akrofi, Assistant Commissioner of Police, Director Public Affairs. Inti police for so almost side of the story. No. Boss, I'm going to take a switch. Try and keep Kwame on the line right now. I am ready to pick Kwame to speak to him on this matter. You can put me through. We can pick the call right now. After this short break, we will conduct the interview with Kwame Asare. Police say or no any prime suspect in this matter. Kwame so some about the video we are seeing. Inti source, please. Let me. Okay, you are on standby. All right, if you are on standby, then put us through. If you are on standby, then put us through. After this short break, I will just pick up and then we can go straight and take care of business.
I don't want peace. I want problems always.
Thank you.
Moving now. It's about oh, Charlie.
Food matter ko yes. Eh.
Oh, Charlie.
Food matter ko yeze. Eh. An ko promo.
Oh, Charlie.
Food matter ko yeze. Eh. An ko promo. Polonga ye fu ah polonga kadmu polonga kadmu escad na adleri yobe polonga kadmu lido fa bulo polonga kadmu ushash
So we are live on Loud Silence TV across the world. I think we have our source on the line. Hello, caller. Hello. Hello, Kwame. Yeah. Hello, Kwame. Yeah, Kwame Jinaso, man, Jinaso, maybe. Oh, we're trying to put you through. We are trying to put you through. Jina line so. Jinaso, we are ready. Jinaso, man, come here. Again, they lead to sa video na yenina ye hwe no Ghana Police Service aka ho asem se omachi nipa be ye for ye wonkwara wankasa de omo hwehwe wo obetumi enya abotre a kyerɛkyerɛ mu de ma sa video no eba so
Tachai.
Me ba kasa yitio.
Dintia. Ma video no eba bon say. Me ka kukum na mo. By omo ye small scale man bi ka kukum. By me na police for no azim for police for na dey ayi mi a me hwe areas wo. It's operation bi eba bia no. Me ena mo be simi so kran sana why dey omo we bush win now. And I mean put omo di kan ma me dey akọ bush wo. Indi a day police for be 7 and 8 I want to be back here 3 times and sana adiasa. Indi one day we want police for the bus at but one by na mo takwa and am workers for the friend say police for na bo into remember na am no me kasa. Nam da one for no so azim for ne takwa the for ne bye. And I'm say I can't say that me ba into me fast am me free takwa ba me ba na pass no mo. Indi eba na sa many police for no ekasai takwa the for no mo kasa na me mo 1,000 10 million. And I'm with you. In the one day, I want to zoom for so by am no so kasai. I almost said I'm more on musica. Into musica 8 million. Musica 8 million. No so one day into no kasa for much on where I'm with you. That's down. Into one day, Gano, and I'm with you. I the site about who any went to for Omocano. No one name called Naman to almost at you. That was the matter. Intimate na kind you do sat dance one on muchem. I was asked that no some culture and grew on muchem. And I'm just asked to buy a do sat dance move. And I'm saying no. I want to make call. And I'm not what they make call. Make can be a to mukan when they met me ya they may be a say no what they make call. No say for money abre into so as I'm so start am some call am no more a guard at work. In the one, me kwa ni binya hete so omo de me ko e no mo ba ko di mo tu be ko so e kwan no maka ni deny iti ka ni je po na police for no person be me no mo me aprepre R0bbers
Kwame gina ho no mo we aprepre yes gina ho me to nka obi a to nka gina ho na wo tika no police na we aprepre ni gina ho adenti na wo ma police for ni sika no odi omoka
me no omoka ba da bia no omo onzo mo na me na ya adwuma o
sesen
site bia wo area ho bia no me nim
okay
apart from me site na me hwe e ho no site bia say 20 say 10 na e wo area ho me nim ho nti omo ba bia omo ba me fie kwa so na me de omo awura bush ho nti omo ka chem say sike na me de am omo no e so
Sikana wodi mo nese utia sa sikana mo anase sa site no mo nkọ hokra enkoye gidigidi bia ho sa na opese o kire ana
and omo nkọ site wo
because una ye security o monitor site wo nyina
ti say na am say bi an wo be ne nim ba omo ntumi enra site wo ntinu me na me hwe site wo
okay sa de we a o kan anse ne beto aso bibia moduru a police for no pepe o kan no oni police for aye say djuma we ache
that to 1 year kura ache
enti
me wo me wa be that wo say tina kwa mo flam say me mra me yima no a ekuo na mte so kura pa mu nim say that bia police for a day police for 5 times so mutum ba me ho be 5 times
evidence saying nipa police audio mu hia o mo ba wo ho me krom ho no ba ho na mu ba ya interview on pa o bi so on be ka so me podi every day am nyon ko for the police for there bia mo ba me ho okay now yanko baby a police for na also come do ko site wa omudu twe ma na omo prepare o car no die ne sie e o car ni mu
iti na ko ana de moto no esi kwan ni ama ma car ni deny car ni dempo no mo pese me mesi pom ana me de force e push gate ni we see from na police for so pom na I say omo ne ye aprepare enti bi so mo say e de bone na ma ya omo person omo chime by force enti na nkura no so enti ate na I say we see that could on the cookie to no. It's a 2 o'clock here, no. And I'm a boy back where fast any person in a pre 22. But yeah, my zero.
A bullet, baby, a bullet in one. I see her no 2 years.
Aha, to 27 I want to and 2 and more or no. It's 2 no. And now, we see back on my career, you know, why you can name the data. It's my quality as a part, I don't know how couple. And not the blame. It is that time, no, I say, yeah, or more, not or more patio. That time I'm saying, not talk about the phone, not or more, a chili hole, other side to you, you know, when you are a mile. The not going to go to our patio, say, yeah, how couple is 22 more when I saw 1 year, another bomb, Mamma Palmetto. And I'm saying, they didn't know patio, they didn't know, yes, sir. That's one banana I'm always going to go as the candy shop park. I'm of course I go with the candy shop and I said, and I'll also call a Jimmy and what director. What do you think? Now, who to me, actually, call about what the Nadia Bonana Maya. It will be done as I'm not on cat or more cat at the Maya. It's a one I chop on a more patch or so if I do it to the moment. And then how up in the moment. And I'm saying, I don't mind instrument, yes, it is so mad. Let's play or move pain. I have come off a son.
Jina baby Ojana, baby Ojana Jinawa. Inti time as answer when you see a back and forth, mutu 22 any idea. Obi bo police ni bi oho, ana police ni bo obi oho.
Obia am fan the sanka police because oya ban nipa.
Inti the ehunu video no. The ehunu video no. After that, no obia amfa nsanka police ni bia amfa nsanka obia ntu obia tu obia R0bbers mojiji police for no nyama no etu no mu seize ye uniforms no mu seize ye ena mosa agigi omho nyama bi
yanji eni ma ya gi ye no ene sa etu ni to no
okay
ene atare ndi na guka ni ene ye fa ya nworo na tare ya nya bi na guka ni na sa hankopo no makọ na je because no plan so omu gu me hankopo nti omu no pin so bia na omu tiri na kwa na je sa hankopo no doji we no ana I so omu tuo na tuna be bi ese ana omu atare no so abete no tuna mu nya patch o say me fa we le momu na omu ne me na ye adwuma and that na omu ne me na ye adwuma pa bi omu no ka no kwanta me say bua oh ha me ya to asare bua oh say ni say nti no na yehu ya point. Now, because I want them to my mouse council. It is not mentality.
Okay. Anthony Beko, crime officer for near the answer. Say, police for the case de see any robbery, extortion near the other. I am one case na record day, and I say police for ni been a record video na yesheno.
That video.
Yes.
Video there. I'm not going to say me case you patrol record day ne dia. Na me boa
enti munim ekwan a video no efa so eba abontene munim nipa o record ye
na je o record ye no je recording die me ka sem nipa ko na me boa
ba obeja tum se na ye nipa a mugina ho no bia na omunye police for and omunye police for na record ye
on the no kwa
okay
you can say police for na record
and police for record ye
police for na I police for no mo ho ni nyano na omu nyano omu patch omu ni ye gidigidi omu patch o se fa omu ayi ni mo.
Okay, now yentoa so now we call crime officer yenko the next stage.
Let's play a crime officer no. So the call for no abasata on na be ni.
O frɛ crime officer no e ka kyerɛ say ne nkɔfo na ba site de no ɔma be yini. That means our crime officer no one number. O one number.
No one number. Let me do the number now out to justice.
But the number tuja, fatuja, our phone so and I will trim.
But our my phone so this let me check it.
Okay.
Me yaba is here.
Ubet makasa the same time we yaba. Our phone for so and I say our phone we also.
Our phone now me no your call na. me yaba sisi am pastor. Am pastor me saka number.
Mo bochire
024
024
another 4
0244
I 59
59
98
98
64
64 0244 599864. Your friend is saying
pastor come officer edian me de nim no
Munyina mo friend crime officer or Axim, right? Okay, into crime officer we no DNC and ko be na ni die.
I want to friend the come say ade an call for na be ni. Nti me ka sa atre no ono no wan ka sem bia de ankyere me. Wan ka sem bia ankyere me. Nti e wana na omo pa ma cho e wan di sakali fo no e be to so omo pa ma cho.
Tak ready for number 2. Tak ready for number 2 as video I share in so.
Omo di scan you no. Omo no ka chire ho. Start na ya train na area so. But start na ya train na area so. Okukrum. In the site no ba ko no omo ka ani mo san we tutu omo ka rendi no omo ka achire ho. We know omo ka sa ni kan ko tro mo start nti me ko tro mo na sa so mo esi. Eji omo no mbe to so omo patch omo ena omo patch oye bibia ansana ezi omo enyi na ne mo back.
Into who confirm o TV so say takrade for no almost on almost a patrol almost a set no almost be 2 incident we so.
I'm not so.
Okay, correct. Thank you. Now
so much show on mobile. You do so much show on mobile you that the police too now boom back that time now.
Okay. Now Utie police for press release now. Say Omo enhu say we armed robber. Omo chonkwara 4. Omo beji intuo. Eye ohwe etu list omo ma ya na omo ma bibiti say eye 3 pump action guns 3. Ena 1 pump action shotgun. Ena sikan mienu. Ena etu abuba 8. Ena unregistered car yen register Honda CR-V vehicle. Ene no mu gi sa nyoma we nyina Africa anim. Suspect car near would ya. Assemble na wakafa ho.
Pacho. Kan de me am dia.
Kan ya would ya. Thank you.
Me won paper bibia o me to ye nya 1 month. Na me scan register.
Okay.
Nti paper ni bibia o. Nti pro na omo ka say me ye awon bani no. But
the whole Ghana will be at you, the whole world will be at you.
Okay. The only thing I told you is that me our Benino. One time you can't, no, because you can't say, one police one, yes, now we are so.
Basically, your informant, Omunimu, who's Nimomo.
Omunime, Omutu from Cotton office. Omo Camlet, Omutu the Mitchell Camlet, and I'm discussing 300 million. Echo Momo.
Our office bang. Untiminka office 300 million office ben the koye.
That time the call Azim on the from Tomuchiano Queen.
A queen Azim
was school. Azim school on a Sierra Junction one.
Okay.
A Sierra Junction 2 for now call Azim station one now.
Obekai police for Mushia or Mudimba Kwana Minu.
No time, you minimum.
Okay.
Minimum or minimum. That's a Safo. District Commander Safo.
District Commander. Okay.
Not Safo. Not his police car in movie.
Okay.
And I'm time use car train them the moment. And I come officer also at you. And I pay you back with him on.
So I see Ghana for the 300 million or 30,000 Ghana for the
300 million. That's 300 million. That's come because you were site. And I'm the common.
Okay. Site in your Ghana scanning and out of common. Send a omumba home this table. Okay. Now, yan twaso police for us stand 2 wing and the san your mom who in gu come and then cran a check ramp say oh yeah armed robber. Ubi o bika sa your mama list no.
We want some capa.
About your casa itio.
And one time we want to say, I no bakulu bakona de And I'm the police for one regiment to a woman the pest out to the mammy. I come officer. I'm going to pay to back at the mammy. I already say I'm with the mammy. Because I have to cause I to be an excuse for no more, no more, or more, into no more to a people to keep him for Buena and Yedma. In the account, I'm sorry. They are not quite, you know, I won't pay 20 to my answer, your cost out there, so your picture. I don't know how to into or pay 20 the mammy. Now, site to be a war and Banzia, Petru, Quindi and Banzia Petru. But that site now a war. Now, for me, judgment. And go follow the catcher of a complaint says, that's that, you know. A quackram pass on your side to Metro.
Yet you.
Bacono, eh, the Casa come up and register of the mamma. On me, on the and up, it was train cano. Man, be a young now, Petru. Your fellow called you Bamba.
This year, a tour history now, the mamma, a true history, senior to the accounts and I will teach you. A quack pass in your tune, and I can't run. Okay, go in him.
It's only soon, and I say, your call and conform if you talk on the complaint, say, we don't know more, no more, and Yajuma, or side to walk. So, Mukom or something, your mom, and the chance of what he said, the more year Galamsey, no more year, no matter, so more something. In John Catcher, Sunday, area, William Samuel,
yeah.
Indeed, all my friend. In a coy, it could show bullets for no, that can bullets for 8. You could show more and no more exercise. Bullets for say, the Argentina, as my peer, yeah, coom, name a Julian, to get a Juna peer coom, arm and cross on the as many. More person. More person, crown the wash shampoo. Now, Moon Yadman and Crown back at number 2, 8, 2 more years, and Crown and complete. It the catchers are good for no. Say, a woman and Crown and Yadman, I had the Yadmano. Yes, we are more in your one of the customers from me. Creep Nibi. It is a mother for more Yadman, we take you no more to on the Wakamate. And don't take you which and say, I won't know. I Yadma. Now, to see I'm not come because I'm not some police. It's a cabinet, I say, Yadma, and I come off a Sunday. They should command a taffo. I'm more good as one of from. I'm one to make a sound for Nanti, I say, Yadman. I want to car any police for the fight. I come on mobile. That time for mobile. Police for ever to not be responding now. I'm winning some more yet, Yadman or areas or. The Mokaka says. Say, a moment, but Mr. Boomer, police for a minute, maybe call, that you won't be a woman back essentially. And I'm just studying Amate. In your case, I'm a camel and I'm still walking. Intimate. Good as one air complaint. You remember Saturn and business and the Bema made a mystery or Saturn. Number one, dear Monday by me. Indeed, almost can't ask. Now go where they are some of the so now you're here, like I said, I mean, I'm going to be I'm attacking I and I'm going to call for money. That's something now. How much is for almost no, we eat in the time, you call more. You're not Coca-Cola. I did you know what found for 6 ever count 1 year 40. Like I said, a man, I know move a car, someone for no and watch something, not just 1 more and yet, man. It is down. Now I think of for me, I'm not checking me, and I'm cutting and cough when I'm not so I call the problem for the catch and say, and I'm about to almost on with me to me back. If you lose out to walk, and then you do for 3, I'll get a 2 guys, 3, blue and be, and I'm going to share my petrol. That's why I can petrol young man.
Was a video, no video. As an account, the video, no, we are a mobiashe. Mate. It's not a bomb bear, 1,000. Oh, a cooling, I make me, I'm a dance of 4 barbers, confirm say. It's two of Casa, name young woman, I'm going to make a tone. Yeah. It is a two good for this 50 of what kind of no Mukita, a two. Makuma got 3, Munia 3. I'm 1 million 24 brand new to 3 no Mukita. Into the catch on myself. I'm going to be na ye quite young
etuo ni wo bi etuo de na de car ni yi tuo ni na mo mo fie yi tuo ni na tesa ampa de mo kan no kɔ nti bi no ka tesa ade adna me metumi aye na me bema men try na me ka tesa say etuo mo kita nya no omo de begu fom na mo say nya djuma so mo tun begu fom nti ye kasai omo hu ade omo ye na me ka kasa bi bi me ka kasa ni na mo di tuo nya de omo hu di ade omo mo di tuo nya gu fom na mama kwa ba ko sasa etuo tre no adi ko gu me kam enti bubelu ba kon de oso no wa di agru e fa de sari oso no wa di agru nti na bansoro ni nyema gu na sili bebre iti me ena me mane ye tete oba nti na me nkura no ena titwa sa ne bansoro ni na gro ni nyina nti no la go nti mi no fibiem onipo Satam no esi ye no npo opaye cho say odi opaye cho yes bi nja ma ne de enka
Kwame sa site we a ma okoshi abudofo we intokwa we see a mutumi gisa into ya police focus omanya wo car mu no sa site no hwan dia
aye Kojo Bamba omo so fi Accra ono na site a
oye dien ofra Accra keke munnim bibia
so yo MPP ni national security for pension sana ya omo catch me
your friend saying Kojo Bamba
national Kojo Bamba national security for pension bi
okay on a site here the anti budos no mo ye djuma ma Kojo Bamba e na mo mu series antu ni free budos no
omo ka ka se be ame ma kan to kola ko gunu e ho no e den Ozi me ye din enti tokwala mata ko du won mi fe yi se e de asem e de e ba enam sa tu ne ko de enti asem me na fe me ka kire me se me fa tu ne le ema omo na di ombi omo ne be kana ma blaze ka enti asem me na fe Kojo Bamba ne ka sa ino sita da me nje ne number na me friend na
Kojo Bamba number Kojo Bamba number of phone so
Kojo Bamba no number no de yanya no koni na je ba me friend na onfa enti e ba sa na me greet ni number me friend 30 chance na onfa enti me greet ni number no
okay
enti sata na me friend onfa ne na to ni de e wo me o mu to na ye ko je ye no na to ni we wo am wo dance for baby mu se sa to ni ya jipu Kojo Bamba no site and ya jipu we site ya jipu sa mu so we me wo sa ayi ni nya nkofo wa dance ewo na bi wa so we pano assemblyman ono na ofre Kojo Bamba no say asem na aba na ye say ye ji 2 billion ansa na ye de mutu na mo
na mo se mo ji sen ansa mo tu na mo
2 billion
200,000 Ghana
omo ma 2 billion
okay
2 billion it is all the size Canada ansa na mo tia yo mo adwuma it is that time na Kojo Bamba ka say menje the number na me nko na omo be from me back it me number am call no me friend bi on fa wana madam bi ni say ni no
madam
o from me ka cham say ni so madam bi me bi say ndi po anwa madam bi ni say ni no o from me ka cham say me o ma ti say ma ko di etuo efugadi iti yan fa sa tuo na ya ko je me fa tuo de de emra ta so na fa ma ade o mo de be ye no enya asempa iti ni bi da ade tuo be na ya ko je na o chechem se be bi ya ko ji tu na ti sa ko fa sa no en fa sa tuo ni en fa mra ta se ya ko ji tuo po sa ta ko fa ndi tuo ni bi ago hu na mo ya ji tu na se de black police of officer for no enem ka chen se ya de leba into onye amụta na anya dị tun there eleba nti 2 days bi egu so akwa na play bi ono so frame o sise o de na kwa mi bi na yu se o ye gen ne san ko komite da ni mo o frame e ka cham se
okay say di ni na kwa me o so obi na bibisa
sana ono de bibisa no bo ni di o so na kwa bi na ya ko tuni ya ko ju atisi akọ ji to bi afre kurasi da bi sat bi nti fa sa to ne mra ana mga ja say si a to ne beba ba onye amụta na ne beba And I'm saying, boss, no castle, it's cabin to near Peter is coming by, and you need to learn. And I'm on. Ya Caribbean and Chastain Edma. Anna, the 3 days, Pewana, police for cast there 4. Chasing, not missing, down on me, and the police for cast there 4 by. Oh, by I mean, some call, or my stomach can answer. Yeah, Yakobu police for. Yeah, Yakoya Robin. Yeah, Yakoya Robin. Or my small Johnson. It is Nippon, my car is 2 on a side to on the year 21, maybe them. It will not give them, South for train, no good then about that many car. Never could damn
the crime officer register Marvin.
Yeah, already stand to evidence could be on the damn car.
Okay.
Because not be said, I think behind the Emma. Police for no mistake, I'm going to let man. No war dancing here, or do I make me Africano, and then you know that Africano, and my own Nakasafe. Police for no ever site, ever day, I'm going to make an cost of your 300 million on site. And I'm saying Aquano or a good or Saturday, the police almost at Musu. It may, and I'm deal money, man, coaches Aquano, and a police for you quite buy. Maybe you come to a police for them, and so I want to know you to know someone in the edge, but not to know. Now, some young about it, no man, you to know.
Now, time I'm about to say in 2 we know if we feel ho omofa the nether can na wo
that time no that time there na me no na mo baby and obi friend say na dey e ko so ni fie enti me monitor na me here fast me ba am pass me do na police for the 30 obi akite tuo mo kiye say e du wura me dan ni me wo ma se na papa bi no
omo hu udru omo nyina hu police for nyina hu
hu de omo hu me
okay
ba na ba bi am wo me ni tuo mo ade omo nyina ni tuo mo it me fe ka papa am bona ma ne say na de na ko so am ye de minim ehun no minim no say ono no mo ba no wan ba bi that time no yare into anya de wan ba bi na onu in that time now I said the pressure I was through. The captain. The captain. The we answer the window glass now. I share me down the glass now. This was up to almost papa no. Boo. Since I'm about boo na. The starting to the grandpa. Yet now so much to think no papa na. The something chair all boo na. My first I'm just going to come. A condition 3. I want to go almost selling na TV we bought down on propose for every TV TV na even ko me yere wa wo foforo enti ayi baby baff na e gba akwa o nyam pon papa ni nyam o come down for the hu chance impo ba ko e say am get me down
say Ghana police service ka say wo ya R0bbers you on the run just say wo no omo hwehwe wo ya wanted from in some country, it is looking more like say only police for you match. Get
it 1 year, 1 year.
And say a kwanya bidima ubetubenya sa akukuduro no anante akọ police akọ catch them say R0bbers obia unju obia sika na police for no ma ye djuma betuma ba obia din prove evidence.
So no ma bo ni di no. Uni say mpacho ube jeli say ekrobi wo domase ya from awrozo enkofo bi ye omuye aduma eso ma chiche ekro ha omote ho R0bbers fo bi kotako mo me na police fo no friend say ya tete R0bbers fo bi akọ ekro so mo chiche man fo sika yesi na mo tutu na nkom ko stop wo mo me ka ma mo tam yi na no na me sa ka no ekosi wo sa tampo me kon me fa nsuo so we be bank anyame anka satan ponka ni we say so
obeso kire say some serious robbery by police for to me throw emma no boys call ekoku
omo bi plan no san ko fo no mo wo nkofo na ye ko chi omo no mo wo omo ya R0bbers ye ko chi 2 ya kan do mu jona be di omo phone so omo sika ni nya e de mo san ko phone ko ya chi omo bonu ye mo mu bo naked ya do mo fa suit nim ama obi ahu say Hey, and I'm for there. Oh yeah.
What evidence or nyoma moji modema police for no.
Anyway, again, the police for no kaya sa no cost stop point you know. Anyway, omo jeji no omo gold ni omo sika ni omo phones. On the jeji no ya de omo nyina de mo bush wo. Kuro ho.
Kuro your friend is saying.
That me ko here I will
Okay.
I was gonna say offer boat no after so. I can do now. I'm called Ghana so. Indeed, not either the cost of us are not either police for no more. Yeah, my idea. Now, you say that airport anchor.
Who said, Dian Bema Ghana police, any district police, Axim police, Takradi police, Funina, Ababontina Betro say, and they will and away Arméd. From some catcher, Dian Arjun said, a bemomo, a release such a statement. For now, no. Oma ka omasem ene yebusa wo de na be ma omo because we knew asem no person kire say only police for almost a year onya R0bbers de na be ma police atros ansem we ato abontene ato so
okay de so de on be ato so say me R0bbers
me se de na be ma police atros anwoma we afa ho say ende no obi a oni police aye adwuma or crime officer number wabobo din nipa sika watamama police for da trend de na be ma police atros afa ho
de ntia omo trust afa mo no say we no omo site bi pie o me no omo koje site no 3 million omo ma 20 million na say omo ma 20 million na
site no he for side
site
no he for side
site no site no wo kokukro mo site wo kada adwen wo sad
una nipa ye ne dia
on yes mpacho say
uni nipa site ne dia
nipa site ai
the friend saying
min nipa site ne dia
bonidin
de nipa site ne dia fa
tola nyedin
tola ba uzo isro intedin o de ba ye no
tola
die ni mo no metu pa friend no online so
okay kasa
metu na friend see police for no me police for no course at one am chase at all I saw o ahode enti na police for course at musu enti me na me chase total for no ama police for dey akọ bu no mo total no na kwala akọ first sika the police for no man 20 million mo di mo call
police for mo call no call sa police form no call sa operation no o kai obi din unnim obi unnim omo
men kai obi din by me hu omo ebi fita kware ene ebi musu fi sa azim for no
why they done it 20,000 share with him 20,000 why the police need better the amount
20,000 2 million 20 million
2,000 why did they start 2,000 amount
on the person you know am ka say omo no some go operation na omo fa ekuro bia so police ebi o omo ba no ma pata kwade fu be we aba enti no omo di de la no hu omo because you know my matter it mean police form or omo ba ho nya enti the kuro am to so no ebe police form be 5 times omo kini bam fi omo ban so omo hu mi omo ko omo djam dan ani mo pe
e change ska
omo ko sam krom pom be kan omo change ska me omo ska
me no ka say Galamsey no kasa
mpato yentia police form ni abram say site bi wo kakukrom wo ba no me de sika 1 billion o ma ko di sika 1 billion 7 pass sika na mro ba pass sika na mo eni ti ana ma police phone ni abram no
sa 1 billion 100,000 Ghana no one fa ma omo
na fa ma omo because omo ni aduma na che da bia na esa sika na omo di a omo ma me ebi 1,000 2,000 enti sa staff no e ka che me say
district commander no
sika o ka che me say sika na me kwaje wo enkrofo no site wo no me pa sika na yede emra ansana omo de me car ni nyima ama me na mza so mfa sika 1 billion and pound emra no for me can minima mami and that is can the see anunya let's come here trend them no sada me pass can and ka pay mu bi no mra no for minima ndi ya mami it is 1 billion am ko dia ma fa mo no enu ti and omu dina so omotra anwa bi case atum so no na me nya anwa ben obi bi ntumi media nkasa me di tuwa ko dia na site R0bbers na agi ne sikati da bi so obi tumi ba e be dia nkasa se me kwa me atwa me di tuo abe dia na site abe ni sika ye gu ara se even though kwase 50 million 100 million kwa be di tuwa be ka se na me sika me ma wo je na ku a and obua
inte 100,000 Ghana no 1 billion no na akofa asem we nyina ba
1 billion ni pia man fa ma mo no sapo no ka kem se me pesa sika na mra ansa na o ma rizi mi car ni mi ma mi motos ni me ma chi sam dia dman so o mo de ma dia ma me back na pesa sika na ma
je na pesa o ka kire Ghana for
na fa yan ko me ka kire Ghana for se le nya R0bbers ana me police for mo dem na ya aduma so na am we ya wa me so on ti nke na ta bi ko na mo ti asa me na mo frɛ me ayo bibia e wo ho oh ni me nya R0bbers and it's supposed to me because me ya R0bbers omo fa je nti omo se me ya R0bbers no mo fa sa R0bbers ni je ma ko R0bbers na agi ni bibi no fa ta ni ta no mra o tu be jan kasa me na ba nta R0bbers tutu asin se me R0bbers na agi ni sika na ni goga me de me ba enne anani me ya mpo me ba the Ghana professor mo de yam no mo de ayame
police for na ehu no video no na obia ehwe no je na person ka fa ho
won go mo hu video no
na omo pa wo chewo no
but yamo omo pa me chewo no say omo no me nya aduma enti say bi pa mi nya abo tena me say bi nya abo say na mo de me ko no binti mo anka nya say mo de me ko ha ana mo ko emi say ana we sim pa me bla na bone be na maye
Kwame
omo kaza no enti omo kaza no me tiate so mo se me ya R0bbers na mi yesi even though from past asem we be si no en fobi madam na me kan for TV sam say me de etu na me ko je ye no se ma fa tun pa ma da bia mo bi o me je na chimpo na I say bisu enti na I say come up with another person ebu a me dey me kan enti madam fobi sam say sa etu no wa te say me obi aka say come so I say to me na no kre and am ka say come up with one you to obi ama me na e wo de come up na ka kire me say nya abotre na some dey check kwampa be den o me no mo aka enti the three days na wo che minu anu mo wana mu so mo de minu anu ma be news TV so mo ka say R0bbers fo bi akọ takiri obi aje o mu go no mu sika o mu kita bon pass na mo mla kotu e me yu o ma no enti o mo ka sam say e se ma me de si ade ko so se man kan no kra no so mo ba timi de se me kan no kra na no kra bi o mbia me kan no kra na ane me wu pa na me so ma wu
Kwame Galamsey Kwame Galamsey e koso pa
Galamsey koso you are Galamsey koso
serious pa
be start na start na me kan excavator makuma ko 6 and na wo sa pit ni mu pit ba ko pe
one pit excavator
bamba,
6
bamba.
Kojo bamba
yes Chinese 4
yes.
ho so no Chinese 4 na Chinese 4 no mo yes aduma no Chinese 4
area be na o kan ho asemi
Chinese 4 no mpo mo start yeah so what petrol angmazen na ho mo yes ma ba ko na script be 16 omugu start mo watch start ho president mo azumo no obi anim say omo yes ma o am tu so mo ko diska o omo ni me say go ba omo kan bi omo ne Ghana for ebi party omo ni pa so omo yes aduma no start e wodu awon de ekoso omo na ma nkobla no asai nso kete da na nkobla ona omo man sa nso na asai ekoso pa na me nya R0bbers obi anu be te ga me ma ko tutuo Sa best no omukọ robu an obi en eche omo mo video. The omo ye ntimi person ma mu say Ghana 40 say me nya an ba ntimi de sa video no. Eba the trouble until so mo hwe ekura me ma kọ super kọ bu omo no ti ano omo de an ba to me so dia. Ene me nya papa bi.
Ate Kwame.
Na moto pa esuo a me fa nkọ omo se sam ya ba me fa moto nkọ wo be. Ena me pop machine. Ni pula me di ye adwuma o. E wo me dan ho. Pula mo fa ye no. Na je say pula no wa ye den. Me nya an ba me nya he. Ya nam sa 1 billion na mo ka ma fa nkọ mo nti no mo che sa. Na me nya an ba.
Kwame, after interview Kasa.
On principle for mo Sakandi Azim Takwan from Kwan with Yaka Munimi. Now, 24 more you have go beyond me. Tell me now about me good. Mama Bam who come from me back about this car. Some of them you won't pass. I want me Chammy. If the people know about. Oh,
Kwame. Mo video no. Efa etuo no ho mebo magana fo nyina hwe budu fo miensa mo chi omo krom ewia ketekete mo gi sanyoma ne nyina firi omo ho e de kire obia etuo mo gi firi omo nsem me no interview a mebo magana fo hu bebia etuo no enyina Ghana police eka ho asem no efiri the other videos now can from ochene ko no eno so ye be magana fo ehu video no yetie wo side yetie Ghana police side Ghana fo etie yenyina yeti kronum ye be follow story we na de wo mu bia no also who said this is not the last time no be kasa mesa ba biem eno akasa ndi Kwame me da wase an interview no. Thank you very much. Thank you. All right, so we just had a conversation with Kwame Ato Asare, Anena Ghana Police Service Ekase Oye, the prime suspect in this particular issue. Now, maybe about video no the genesis of a two baby free bano. About 7 minutes. I think I will try and make sure say bit my share ansana ya initial no. Not the story muno abubo ding wabo kujo bamba wabo Safo district commander wabo crime officer and a register etuo nemano by 3 now police force omunya ne de etuo a omoji free budo bi nsema na omoye dwumama kujo bamba Oma police fosika or say issue nyina is got to do with 100,000 Ghana, that's old Ghana cities 1 billion police for no district officers no more axim say on fambra or say on famba ono ankasa de or say ombo obi akro no obi say wabon krono site and I say bibia nipa no right to come out wasa aso akire say car no police for echo statement no car no ono ankasa ne car intua na egum no intua sebio mebebo hu video akire mo sene a omu secure sa intuo no wabodin say crime officer the number is 0244599864 ono and a register the pump action Ghana oyusu sesiano Kwame Asare ana Kwame Ato Asare ninsem kan no obobidin said nana Kwame also no so BNI office you see Osaka say the air cost sisiano Galamsey no air cost seriously western region na ochirima from Axim all the way to Takrade side of police ni bia ni wa onimu no say no he has been working with the Ghana Police Service as an informant for almost a year. Police for ne ba no more sites akọ ransack and asa akọ operation ono na odi enim majority of the time kran de ehu pa no one ne nkwara na police for catch omom ko di dwuma ne mo nti Kwame nso asema all no right now no mom enhwe video no how Kwame say omu secure sa etuo miensa na Ghana Police Service say omunsa aka Kwame dia omu de call robbery no. This is a video. Sorry. Excuse me.
Makan kube ya gbadi sa dundo no si abotule sa bueno se me recorde stop.
Ma on est même beautiful gars. Ah c'est une cocola ne.
All right, so these are a year after Omuchi Budus no Kwame and the boys no into a Obu CZ a free Budus no and na yina share. That's the video. And amuhu sa nipa na omo videos so Kwame ne a any group no echi omo. So this is the story of Kwame a year ato Kwame ato a year asari and any group and the Ghana Police Service say much naya omo say Kwame and a year the prime suspect. Kwame so I can side of the story. Now, what I want to say in this story way and there, the reason why I tell you did this story which didn't say near to Ghana and a Ghana Police Service, a police phobia, Arméd, and that's what a year police officer na or tip bullion vama or guard this guy. At this point, you know, Ghana Police Service says, our police from police in the local location, Akochi or Momoboa or Mom this Ajumadiano, Omdru Hono, say exchange of bullets, police phobia, bomu two suspects for no one, 2 count on muye. Sa omomubo suspects need to be seen there in who omubium sa seven so ewu you need to see a kahona right now no when the police service comes out with statements like these na yesu DH. We have heard Kwame's story, we have heard the Ghana Police Service their story. We want to see how this will end. Now this week we are working on the project another serious scandal coming your way on Loud Silence TV over the week this week. In fact, I can give you the date on Thursday. On Thursday, this crazy scandal is going to happen. The Jubilee House Galamsey gangs. The Jubilee House Galamsey gangs. You are going to hear details via Obia R0bbers. What I'll be providing on this platform around the world on Loud Silence TV, you know, your TV, so and on Facebook, on YouTube, you know. These are documents on the desk of the President of the Republic. The President has these documents. I'll be showing you. The Chief of Staff, she also has it. Every single security agency be a every document we will show on Thursday, you know, they all have this document. We are going to show you a document, a bit shocking. Now, the caption is the Jubilee House Galamsey Gang. So on Thursday, is going to be another crazy scandal that will bring this nation on its knees. Ubika Kevin, oh yeah, why yeah, they are not acting. No, it is not about they not acting. Jesus Christ kept on pushing the word. At the end of the day, Jesus is no more. But the question here is the work he did still. At the end of the day, it's yielding some results. Jesus Christ over 2,000 years or 5,000 years, whatever you want to say. Jesus Christ time and na oye jumano na nipa omote sa emrenim no na omotan Yesu na dodo no eka Yesu ho asembone. Over 2,000 years ni ene wa ha Yesu asem no enende ye de bo eye ewiase ho ban. The eye nende no, you might not understand it. You might think say eye normal enye normal. You might say, oh, why are the scandals are MPP for no omunyeshi, obianyeshi? The right time will come. These scandals will be very, very relevant. But what is about to happen this week will shock the core of this nation. The Jubilee House Galamsey gangs. Documents upon documents. Facts. And every document we show here is on the desk of the president. Ladies and gentlemen, Mimpeke calls. My name is Kevin R0bbers Taylor. You might see me on Thursday. We are still working on documents. It's a lot of work. We need to be reading a lot. We need to be following a few things. If I don't show up tomorrow, definitely Thursday, we will do the scandal. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for being part of today's show. My name is Kevin Taylor. It's been a wonderful night. Understand, we are all messengers, the messengers who are ready and willing to speak truth to power. Have a wonderful night. Be good, and God bless you.
Take glory, Father. Take glory, Son. Take glory.